Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Bodyweight Training is an incredibly effective way to build muscle. And today I'm going to guide you through a simple yet powerful routine that you can do from the comfort of your own home. I know it sounds too good to be true, but trust me, with the right exercises and consistency, you can achieve amazing results without any fancy gym equipment. I know a lot of you out there think that building muscle requires a gym membership, and that's just not true. You don't need any equipment to start seeing results, and I'm living proof of that. But I also know that it can be tough to stay motivated and consistent when you're working out at home. It's easy to get distracted or to feel like you're not pushing yourself hard enough without the right equipment. But the truth is, the biggest obstacle to building muscle isn't the lack of equipment, it's the lack of knowledge and consistency. Most people simply don't know where to start, or they get bored with their routine and give up too easily. And that's exactly why I'm here today. To show you that with the right mindset and a few simple exercises, you can achieve your fitness goals without breaking the bank or leaving your house. The first exercise we're going to cover is the classic push-up. This is a great exercise for building chest and shoulder muscle, and it's incredibly easy to do at home. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart, engage your core, and lower your body until your chest almost touches the ground. Push back up to the starting position and repeat for 3 sets of 12 reps. Next up is the bodyweight squat. This exercise targets your leg muscle, and it's a great way to build strength and endurance. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, then bend your knees and lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Push back up to the starting position and repeat for 3 sets of 12 reps. Another exercise that's great for building muscle at home is the tricep dip. Find a sturdy chair or bench, then place your hands on the edge and lower your body until your arms are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position and repeat for 3 sets of 12 reps. One exercise that's particularly effective for building muscle is the burpee. This exercise targets multiple muscle groups at once, including your chest, shoulders, legs, and core. Start in a standing position, then drop down into a squat position and place your hands on the ground. From there, kick your feet back into a plank position, do a push-up, then quickly return your feet to the squat position. Stand up and repeat for 3 sets of 12 reps. The key to building muscle at home without equipment is to push yourself to the limit. Don't be afraid to try new exercises or to add more reps and sets as you get stronger. And remember, consistency is key. Try to do these exercises at least 3 times a week, and you'll start seeing results in no time. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned some new exercises and got motivated to start building muscle at home. Remember, it's not about the equipment, it's about the effort and consistency you put in. Keep crushing your fitness goals, and don't forget to subscribe for more workout videos and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you've got a favorite bodyweight exercise, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to take your bodyweight training to the next level, be sure to check out my video on advanced bodyweight training techniques.